Hi there, keen traders. It was a pretty uneventful day today in trading. We had setups in the EURJPY and the Great Britain odd. Let's go over the Great Britain odd first because it is just close that trade out. What we can see here is it was a pretty straightforward trade. We had a push higher, then a rapid fall into New York, past the 160, what was it, 160.39 level for an entry. I think I went in at 142 or 143. It looked pretty good for the first few minutes, but then since then it has just drifted lower. And what I was basically looking at, I even jumped down to a 5-minute chart, is I was just seeing if we were going to get a close below this 0.618 fib, and we definitely did right there. It's difficult to trade on Fridays and late in Fridays. Like, I would have much rather jump into a trade anytime in Asian and European trading. When you get these late bounces in New York, there's a tendency for the trades to extend their current trends into the close of the day. So it makes it difficult at best, but we limited our losses, only minus 21 pips, and did just limit that to one lot. If we look at the Great Britain New Zealand, you can see that there was a lot of up and down trading in this pair, but no real entry. And the more interestingly, you can see that in the Great Britain JPY, there was no real entry. It wasn't even close. But on the Euro JPY, I just missed one, and I'm kind of disappointed in this one, just because it was kind of a judgment call down here. We can see we spiked down towards the 133.62, and at that point I have a choice. You know, I could enter right here at the 133.68, jump in at the top. But what I was looking for was actually a complete move down to the level and then a bounce higher, and we never did receive that. But you can see that the cost did go up from the 68 all the way up to 92. So that would have 78.88. That would have definitely taken care of any losses that we had in the in the odds, Great Britain odds, and like I already said, the Great Britain JPY hasn't hit anything. So all in all, there wasn't anything spectacular. I took a small loss for the week, up 100 and I would say probably about 150 pips maybe. So not a bad week overall, and it looks like things are beginning to trade much more fluidly heading into the new week. We'll look for confirmation on that. And everybody have a great weekend. Feeling a bit under the weather. It always seems to happen to me on a weekend. But you know, I guess that gives me more time to work during the week. All right, everybody, have a great weekend, and don't do anything too crazy. And I'll see you guys on in the Asian markets on Sunday. Adios.